The truth is that you don't need to be loud or fake it in order for you to make good friends in the university. And whether you are an introvert or you are this quiet type, I will teach you how you can make meaningful connections with people in the university and make them to be your very good friend. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Basi Ejoba. I'm a 400 level student at the University of Calabar studying medical laboratory science. At my channel, I have student level up the academic game. I also share food tips on the channel focusing on personal development. So if you love content like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can help me grow. And like I said, I'm going to teach you how you can be able to make friends fast in the university. There are a lot of reasons and there are a lot of benefits why you need to make friends in the university. And one of the reasons is that coming from a Nigerian home, people like some people, not all of us are privileged, right? So coming from homes like us, where you are not that privileged, making friends in the university will really help you, especially when it comes to food. You understand? Let me start with food, right? The thing is that when you make good friends in the university, apart from just the academic level, you people tend to create deep and meaningful connections, right? And these people will always be there to help you financially. These people will always be there to help cure your loneliness, right? Like me, I can be so lonely and I'll just call my friend, "How far are you there house?" They say, "Yeah, at the house." I'll just turn up and go to his house. You understand? These people help cure your loneliness. And like I talk about the food, that was not quite long. I'm making this video on a Tuesday. On Sunday, that was yesterday was Monday. On Sunday, yes, no, today is Wednesday. On Monday, I was looking for ways I was looking for Gary. Yes, I didn't have Gary. I had soup, but there was no Gary. You understand? It was my friends that came through for me. It was my friends that gave me Gary. Imagine I didn't have friends that are that good. Understand? I would have just been there hungry and sleeping with no food all through the night. So having friends will really help you, understand, in those aspects. And also making friends will help expose you to a lot of opportunities, help you expose you to a lot of opportunities that will be really helpful to you, like scholarship, updates. There are some updates because in the university, is not just about how you study, right? It's also about updates. Maybe something is going on, so okay, lecturer say people should do like this and stuff like that. You understand? So Nigerian students supposed to understand what I'm saying. Maybe there's something the lecturer have said that you should do. And if you don't get this update, you understand, you are left out. And one of the ways you can get this update is when you make friends. So when you make friends, it exposes you to update, it exposes you to a lot of scholarship opportunities. Because Nigeria, one thing is that Nigeria likes hiding, Nigerians, we like hiding scholarship opportunities. But when you make good friends, or when you make friends with good people, they will tend to expose you to these scholarship opportunities, and they will make your school life fun and memorable. Imagine making good friends, they will make your school life, you always remember your school life, you always enjoy your school life. You understand? There will be no cause for you to even regret why you went to the university, because with them there's no dull moment. You are always inside that people are studying, inside that people are strolling. At least they make, in fact, they make your school life memorable. They become part and parcel of your life. You don't just see them as friends, but you see them as families. You understand? So those are some of the reasons why you need to make friends as far as you are in the university, whether Nigeria, whether anywhere in the world. That is one of the major reasons you should make friends in the university. And some of these friends also helps you understand school life very easy. Some of them are not just starting from year one, or like they are not just freshers. Maybe they have done the program, or they have someone who have coached them or talked to them about academics and stuff like that. So they will tend to expose you to these systems, and they will help you understand the way school life is very easy and very fast, unlike the way you will have been alone trying to figure out all the stuff. And now, how can I make this friend? I know that is what you'll be asking. How can I start making friends in the university? Number one is that you have to be friendly first. You understand? You have to be very friendly first, and you should always make sure you use your face. You should always make sure you use your face. You have to be friendly by using your face, not that when you enter the class and you're always frowning with everybody. Always make sure you use your face. Your face should be full of smile. In fact, you should always be smiling. Not that you'll be smiling like someone that is but at least your face should be something that is welcoming. Understand? So always make sure you use your face. Your face should be the first thing that, because for me, one of the ways I make friends is when I look at someone's face. You understand? When I look at someone's face at times, it tells me whether I should go closer to that person or not. Imagine your face is, you are smiling and stuff like that. It draws me closer. But imagine where you are frowning, you're always angry. I will not come close to you. So always make sure you use your face. Always make sure your face is friendly. Secondly, is that you have to sit smart in class. Yes. how you sit also matters. There was a time I was talking to someone that I don't love the way you shake me. You understand? I don't like the way you shake people. You understand? How you shake people, like handshake, is also matters. So when it comes to making of friends, how you sit in class also matters. And when you are sitting in class, make sure you sit very smart in class. Don't always sit at the back seat. But there's always the popular saying that those people that always sit at the back are olodos. And you don't want to start, you are just entering the university and you don't want people to start attacking you with names that are not good. Like imagine you are just entering the university and someone is start attacking you olodo or stuff like that. No, don't always sit at the back. And make sure when you are sitting, don't always make sure you don't always sit alone. Don't always sit alone. Always allow people to sit closer to you. You understand? Let your body always put on this friendly vibe that the moment people sees you, it draws people closer to you. You understand? Don't always sit at the back like I've said. And even when you're sitting in front, don't be the one that will keep your school bag, or keep your umbrella yet, that will not allow people to come closer to you. And even when you are sitting, in the case of when you are sitting in class, understand, and the lecturer is sitting, you are sitting with your friends, or you are sitting with your housemate who is here to become your friend. Understand? Always ask them question, like maybe the lecturer is teaching something. Always ask them that, you understand what this lecturer is teaching? By starting that conversation, it will make them draw closer to you. You understand? And from there, people can continue vibing, and from there, you can continue talking. And moving the exchange WhatsApp number, and that person automatically becomes your friend. Which, if you want to continue the relationship, it's not left for you to say. You can be following up, discussing academic stuff on WhatsApp and stuff like that. Also, the third way you can make friends fast is that you can join a group in school, or you can join a club. Understand? Whether it's a departmental group, especially departmental WhatsApp group, your fellowship, drama group, programming group, and stuff like that. You will always meet like-minded people, and when you meet like-minded people, it's not left for you to make friends with them. Understand? You have to join groups. Don't just isolate yourself. Make sure you join groups. Fellowship, if you're someone that is always a church person, make sure you join fellowship. From there you can get to see people that are like-minded, that like you. If you're a programmer, join programming club. If you are a if you love reading, join books club and stuff like that. From there you get to find out that you start meeting like-minded people like you. And when like mind meets, the Bible says iron sharpeneth iron, right? So when this like mind meets, you get to sharpen each other, and from there you're naturally drawn and closer to each other. Number 4 ways you can make friends with each other is that you can use a common ground. Yes, and one of the common ground is majorly about states. You understand? Your state can just ask, where are you from? Are you from Anambra State? Yeah, I'm from Anambra State. You see, that person automatically is drawn closer to you. So always use a common ground. Maybe are you staying in the same hostel? Can just ask, are you staying in this hostel? What level are you in? Are you in this department or stuff like that? It tends to draw people closer to you, because that is your common ground. That is where people share the same value in. Understand? So that is one of the ways you can make friends, by using common ground. You can just meet someone and say, are you from Akwa Ibom or stuff like that? You get the person say yes. You get to find that people now have a common ground which you can build on. And lastly is that you have to show up consistently. Not that you shoot more for lectures on Monday, you will not show again till next week Monday. No, always show consistently. And when you show consistency, it tends to breed familiarity. That's why when you're always coming to classes, people trust familiarity. And some people will tend banging on you when you attend classes, when you attend tutorials, when you attend events, departmental events, or any type of event. And the more you see people, the thing is, the more you see people, the more people see you. It is easier for these friendships, or for you to form relationship naturally. Understand? Because you're always there together, you're always drawing closer to each other, talking to each other. It tends to form this relationship naturally. Now the thing is that making friends in the university doesn't require you to change, or doesn't require you to change who you are. It just requires, or it just takes intention and small steps. And even if you are shy, you are still worth knowing. You can make friends with people that will remove you from your shyness and give you that self-confidence which you have always been looking for. Drop it in the comment section. How were you able to make friends in the university? Are you someone that loves making friends, or are you someone that always maintain boundaries? That means if it's your coursemate, you just want it to be your coursemate, you don't have anything to do with them or stuff like that. Drop it in the comment section. And if you love this video and you wish to continue watching videos like this, wish to continue getting updates like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button. And also don't forget to share this video to your friends so they can come here and get value, and in turn I'll feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this. Till I see you in my next video, always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're better. I really love you. Thank you.